Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to enable smart notifications on Twitch application. So how to enable smart notifications on Twitch application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Twitch app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Twitch app. Next, tap the three-line icon at the top right. And appears like this. Tap Notification menu. And tap Enable Smart Notifications. So that's it, tutorial how to enable smart notifications on Twitch application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.